Many trainers face the same challenge. You know what good training should look like. It should be interactive. It should help people apply what they learn. It should move beyond lecture and create real behavior change. But building that kind of course from scratch takes time. You need clear learning objectives, strong content, activities, discussion questions, slides, worksheets, assessments, and takeaways that people can actually use. And when a client asks for something quickly, it can be hard to build all of that from a blank page. That's why many trainers look for a better starting point. Corporate Training Materials provides editable, ready-to-train course kits that help trainers build and deliver workshops faster. Each course kit includes an instructor guide, participant manual, PowerPoint slides, worksheets, activities, icebreakers, quick reference sheets, and assessments. The materials are built in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, so you can customize the content, add your own branding, adjust the examples to make it more relevant, and make the training fit your exact audience. Instead of spending hours building the structure, formatting slides, writing participant materials, and creating activities, you can start with a complete workshop package and focus on making it your own. The course library includes more than 139 soft skills topics, covering areas like leadership, communication, workplace essentials, sales, personal development, and more. Our goal is to give trainers a strong foundation so they can spend less time creating documents and more time delivering engaging, practical training. Good training needs structure, practice, and application, but you do not have to start from a blank page. With editable, ready-to-train course materials, you can save time, customize the content, and deliver professional workshops faster.